This is so sweet life. Yeah, this is sweet life. Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a pretty in pink makeup look. Okay, just me being weird, don't mind that. Anyways, so this is my eyeshadow palette. It's not the subject of the video, but I am going to be using it a little bit to get this look on and shapapping. Oh, look at these colors. Can you get in focus? Okay, it's in focus. Alrighty. Oh, and it comes with a mirror, boo-boo. Yes, hit me up if you'd like a palette, and that's on period. But anyways, first things first, I'm going to prep my eyes with Makeup Revolution, and that is their whitest white. And don't mind me chewing my gum, my breath was probably kicking, I don't know. But anyways, first things first, we're gonna start with the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna be using this pretty pink shade. It's so pretty. I love this palette, honestly. James, he did a fantastic job. Anyways, so I'm gonna put that in my crease. Is that a crease? Yeah, in my crease. So first, I like to stamp on the pink to make it more popping. I don't know what I'm doing there. Okay, here I go. I'm stamping on the pink to get the most pigment. And then once that is on, I do the windshield wiper technique thing to get that nice and blended or whatever. Oh, okay. So this is me doing my TikTok. So y'all should definitely follow me on there. You know, it's lit. So I did the other eye off camera, and now I'm going into my palette and using the pink shade and the purple shade in my outer corner. And same way as I did on I stamp on the color to get the most pigment, and I used the wrong brush. So that's me looking for the other brush. It's more like a dense brush. I got that from e.l.f. I love it. So I'm basically just working that bad boy in and blending it out. Look at that. It's just so pretty. Ooh. And I didn't use that much of the purple. That's why I just used it just to darken up the pink, because it was very similar to the James one. So, and I reached back in there and put some more purple because it wasn't dark enough for me. I went back in with the first brush that had the other shade in and just blended that in so that they can all mesh together very pretty and whatnot. Okay, so I went back in with the James Charles palette and I used the lighter pink. And I'm going in with a packing brush. Ooh, look at that fallout. Okay, anyways. So I basically get a lot of the palette, a lot of the product, and just stamp it on my eye. Same concept. Stamp, 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 get the more pigment. Okay, and I just stamp it on basically like a half cut crease, but without doing all the concealer and junk, because ain't nobody got time for that. So, but look how pretty that is. It just blends so pretty. But after that, grab the first brush again and just go around that and make sure everything blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 guys. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, hey, that's when I knew the colors were coming together. And then I used the shimmer shade in my palette, the pink, for my inner corner. Yes, yes. Do y'all see the beauty? Okay, the blurry. Okay, so after that, I went ahead and put on a very thin liner. And let me tell y'all, I've been thinking I'm nailing the eyeliner, but look at this crap. Look how crooked it is. One's taller than the other, one leaning to the side, one asking for their, I don't even know what's going on. But anyways, I go in and put my foundation on in the color Cocoa. You know, Miss Jackie Ida put me on. But anyways, just blend, blend, blend. This is basically like my other videos. I don't really do too much different as far as my foundation and face routine. Concealer, LA girl, holy grail, you already know. Oh, that's crooked. Okay. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Oh, oh, y'all, the back of my oh my gosh, it's the back of my neck for me. Anyways, blend, 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 blend. Okay, and then I use the Juvia's Place setting powder in the color, I don't know. But I take this brush and put it wherever I put the concealer at. Yes, I do bake because, baby, I get oily and it is what it is. Sorry. Okay, and I take my face color and set the rest of my face with that. It's from MAC. I'm not sure the color. Ooh, and I was going off on him, wasn't I? Jeez Louise, I almost scared myself. So I set my whole entire face. Oh, somebody look mad. She mad as heck. So after, am I gonna break the camera? Child. Anyways, go back in my palette and use that pink shade again as highlight. Y'all already know you don't always have to use a highlight for highlight. You can use eyeshadow because it still be popping. Okay. Oh, look at that pretty pink. It actually reminds me of the Rihanna Duo palette, the highlighter duo, quadruple, whatever the hell it's called. That, and I guess I was feeling basic today, so I used some lip gloss. Okay, and just set my face with the Morphe setting spray. Oh, and then I use my NYX pink eyeliner to draw my little, oh girl, stop turning around, exposing yourself. But I basically use that to draw a little heart. I love drawing the heart under my eyeball. You know, I thought I had it in focus, but as you can see, my palette wanted to be the star of this shot. So there you go. But there goes my little heart. Oh, is that messed up? Okay, whatever. And then I did some little fake moles. Moles. Yeah, those. And then now I'm basically done. So I'm about to put on some lashes and do my hair, and I'll be right back. Bye. Oh, yes. Do y'all see? Oh, child. Okay, this was a new hairstyle that I was trying out. Taping extensions. I have a video coming on that soon, but them edges are not blended, honey. But either way, it ain't about that. My eyeshadow popping, eyebrows popping. Yeah, still got the gum. Serving. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Thank you for watching.